Hey, it's me, guys. Welcome to the bench for our very first episode of What'd You Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop. So, what'd you buy Wednesday?
Building materials.
We are going to update our project room. So we're just starting a construction project down here and hauling in some lumber. Hopefully get that going soon. Building's going to be a little slow, but stay tuned for updates and we'll get back to the bench as soon as it's rebuilt. So take care, happy building, see you next time.